Writing a chemical equation. A chemical reaction, written in a sentence form or in words, is a starting point to finally arrive at a balanced chemical equation. For example, a reaction between magnesium and oxygen can either be written as magnesium reacts with oxygen to form magnesium oxide, or magnesium plus oxygen giving magnesium oxide. To write a chemical equation, the names of the reactants are replaced by their formulae. Mg plus O2 giving MgO, where Mg is the formula for magnesium, which is a metal, and O2 is for oxygen, which is a gas. As we know, the reactants react to form products. Substances written to the left of the arrow are the reactants, and those written to the right are the products. It is important to mention the physical state of the reactants and the products in the equation. State symbols are written next to the substances in brackets. S stands for solid, L for liquid, and G for gas. An aqueous solution, that is, solution of a substance in water, is represented by AQ. This seems to be a fairly logical way of writing an equation. But if we consider the number of atoms involved in the equation, we realize that this equation is not balanced. According to this representation, the reactants are one magnesium atom and two oxygen atoms. Oxygen exists as a diatomic molecule, but the product has only one oxygen atom. Atoms are always conserved in a chemical change. We cannot lose the other oxygen atom at the end of the reaction. We therefore balance the chemical equation on both the sides to have an equal number of atoms of all elements, before and after the chemical reaction. We shall learn to balance the above equation and others later in this chapter. Consider the combustion reaction of methane. Methane gas burns in air to produce carbon dioxide and water, along with the release of a lot of energy. Methane reacts with the oxygen present in the air in this reaction. The reaction can be written as methane plus oxygen giving carbon dioxide plus water. It can be represented in the form of a chemical equation as CH4 plus O2 giving CO2 plus H2O. Here, CH4 is the chemical formula of methane, O2 is the formula of oxygen, CO2 is the formula of carbon dioxide, and H2O is the formula of water. We add the state symbols of the reactants and products. CH4 gas plus O2 gas giving CO2 gas plus H2O liquid.
Starting to feel it? Now go master it with Maskitv.